Hello dear student. So my name is Aftar Hussain, and from today onwards I will teach you every parts of human being. So one by one I'll explain, and in detail I'll explain all about this. So today I'll explain you about a very important part of human being, and that is heart. So what is this? That is a heart. And today in this video I'll explain the position of heart and the function of heart and the blood circulation of heart. So maybe this will be a very long video, so I'll make a 5-minute or 10-minute video to explain the blood circulation through the heart today, and the remaining parts I'll explain on the upcoming videos. So stay connected with this channel, and if you stay connected with this channel, then you will get more interesting videos like this. So let's start. So I'm drawing now the heart. I'll draw, you just see here. So this is a little this is just a basic structure of heart. So now I'm going to label each and every part of this heart. So this part of this heart is called right atrium. Right atrium. This part is called right ventricle. This is left ventricle. And this is a left atrium. So in case of our heart, if we divide our heart, we can divide it into 4 parts, and that are 2 atria, and 2 ventricles. What is this? These are 2 atria and 2 ventricles. These are 4 parts of heart. So if we divide this heart by this position, then we will get right side and left side. In this right side we will get right atrium and right ventricle, and in the left side we will get left atrium and left ventricle. So the function of this right atrium collects blood from different parts of this body. This right atrium collects blood from different part of the body through superior vena cava, and through inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. So through this inferior vena cava collects blood from the lower limbs of the body or lower part of the body, and the superior vena cava collects blood from the upper part of the body. And the coronary sinus, which I have just said, that is coronary sinus collect blood from heart. Coronary sinus collect blood from heart, different part of the heart. And this right atrium collect deoxygenated blood. What type of blood? Deoxygenated blood. After collecting deoxygenated blood to this right atrium, from this right atrium blood will comes to the right ventricle. blood will comes to the right ventricle by some process. Later on I will discuss that process. Today just I am giving a little description of heart circulation. Later on I will explain these in detail, so stay connected with this channel. So after getting blood from right atrium, the right ventricle pumps this blood through the pulmonary artery to lungs. This will goes to the left lung, and through this the blood will go to the right lung. After purification in the lungs, the blood will come to this left atrium through these veins, through the four veins. The oxygenated blood will come to this left atrium, and after getting filled the left atrium, the blood will comes from the left atrium to the left ventricle, and later the left ventricle will pump the oxygenated blood through this aorta to the different parts of the body, that is to the lower limb, to the upper limb, head, neck, to different part of the body. The oxygenated blood will go. So how this blood will go to different part of the body, and how this heart will get the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood, I will explain one by one in detail. So now this is just a brief description for today. That's all. Just you revise this, and on the later upcoming video I will explain. That's all. Thank you for watching.